Hey everybody, it's Andrew. I hope you're having a great day. We've got an awesome feature as far as WhatsApp goes. If you go into any of your sub accounts and go to settings and then click WhatsApp, you'll be able to see that now you can create WhatsApp message templates, which is super cool because now you can actually send out some pretty cool looking messages for any of your users through WhatsApp in your HighLevel sub accounts. So if you want to use this, then you can go ahead and click create template. Again, we're here in settings under WhatsApp and then templates. And when you click this, you'll be able to see all the different types of templates that you can create. They actually look really, really good. So of course you can give your template names. So we'll call this template 1, and then we can stick it in categories and also set the language. So if you are working with people that are overseas, then you can work with a couple different languages, which is really helpful. We're going to just do English in the US. Now, there's a couple different types of templates. For one, we can just send a just regular text template. So if we want to type some text and we want to make a template that looks like this, you have a couple of options when it comes to making your templates. For one, you can have a header or not. So if you turn this off, then this will just be text. And it'll just be a standard text template. But the cool part about this is you can add in variables. So down here, if you click add variable, it'll give you a couple of different options for creating custom variables in which you can use the tag option to do things like select variables that are account specific or appointment specific or customer specific and things like that. So if we want to use maybe the contact full name as one of our variables, we'll put this as a little bit of sample content. That's just for the preview on the right-hand side. Then whenever we use this variable, then we will be able to actually say their name. And you can see what this is going to look like right here and also on the right-hand side. I'm really liking this preview screen because this is going to allow us to actually see what the message is going to look like. Now, additionally, if we want to create a template and jazz it up a little bit, make it look a little bit better, we can add in these headers, which look really good. So we can add in images, videos, documents, and locations. So for example, let's throw in an image. Maybe this is to showcase a product or something if you are running a store or something like that. So as you can see, we can throw in an image and then we can throw in the same amount of text. So it's just going to create text just like as you would expect. And then additionally, we can also add in footers, which is really cool. So if we want to say best wishes, and then, kind of as a goodbye, then this will show up in the footer of the actual WhatsApp message. For this header, we can also use things like videos. Now, these have to be very short videos. They have to be under 16 megabytes. So when you throw in videos, it'll look something like this. They'll be able to play and pause the videos. We recommend use just shorter videos for this. Maybe GIFs even can work really well in this scenario. You can also throw in documents. So if you do this, then you can just upload any documents like so, and anyone that receives the message will be able to see and download the PDF or whatever document you upload. And then you can also upload locations. And this is actually a really good user interface for us to upload locations. What you need to do is get the latitude and longitude of the location. I'd recommend doing this through Google Maps. So for example, let's say we want to share this cool place that's over in New York. All you have to do in Google Maps is right click that location. You'll be able to see the latitude and longitude. And if you click that, then you'll be able to copy it and then you can throw it in here. So when you do that, you can go ahead and paste one and paste the other, copy both. Once those are both in there, then you can add in the location name as well as the address itself. And then in the message itself, you'll have this interface that shows the name, the address, and then this is going to populate the actual location, like a photo of where it is on the map by using that latitude and longitude. So it's a really cool interface that makes the messages look really professional, and it makes it really easy to send out locations to people through WhatsApp. Once you're done creating a template, you can click create, and then this will be saved on your account. And then you can use this template in lots of different settings, such as automations or directly in the conversations tab. And I can show you a bit of what those look like right now. So for example, if we go to the conversations tab, let's say we want to WhatsApp a message to somebody, click the WhatsApp button right here, then we can click use a template, and then we'll be able to select one of the templates that we just made. For example, this is one that I made earlier. And then when you do that, you'll be able to send out those templates just like any regular message. You can also use this in the contacts page. So if you want to send it out as a bulk action and you click, let's say, multiple contacts, and then you go ahead and click send WhatsApp, which is going to be all the way on the right-hand side. You can click bulk WhatsApp, and you'll be able to send one of those templates right from this screen. So you can see right here, you can select your WhatsApp template. We can select either of the ones we made. This is one I made earlier with an image, and this is the one that we made with that location. Then you can enter in an action name. So we're just going to say test action, and then we can click confirm, and it will go ahead and send that message to all those people through WhatsApp. And our automation action functions pretty similarly. If we look up WhatsApp within any of our automations and our workflows, then we'll be able to see that we can select our template right here. We can select any of the ones that we've created, or we can just use none and write a manual text, just like an SMS action. And that'll function similarly to any other action with any workflows. I've found that these templates work best for doing things like promotions or updating clients or updating big groups of people or community members. For example, this is one where we have a gold and silver store that's promoting a 50% discount of sorts, where they can send out a message like this, and you can do this in a bulk action to lots of people without having to write this message multiple times. So it's a really cool way to actually use these. And if you want, you can also include locations to promote people to come to brick and mortar chains as well. Now, last thing you need to keep in mind with these templates is you will see a little status bar right here on the home page where we can see all of our different templates. This status is because WhatsApp is managed by Meta, and Meta is going to have to approve any of the templates that you're sending out because they want to make sure that they're sending out okay messages, especially from registered businesses, which is how you use WhatsApp on your HighLevel account. So if you ever see that your status is sitting as pending, just wait for a little bit. And if it doesn't get approved, then maybe you need to change up some of the wording and you'll probably figure out why. But just keep that in mind. So keep your business templates business friendly and professional, and make sure you're not making any wild or outrageous claims that Meta is going to dock you for. I'm super excited to use this myself. I hope you are too. If you have any questions about how this works, then leave a comment. And as always, thank you for watching.